Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be Who Will You Marry? Sorry friends that I could not post the videos as we have gone for a vacation for 4 days and I could not upload any video. But from now onwards I'll continue posting the videos. Okay, so today I have posted a poll in the community section and many of you have voted for Who Will You Marry? That is the reason I will do this reading today. So maybe tomorrow or day after I'll do the current feelings also, because some of them have voted for the current feelings, so I will do both of them. I so today I have only two piles here. I have two flowers, different kind of flowers here, so you can choose any one of them, whichever you are intuitively connected with. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose. Okay, so these I could not get any other flower, so I thought okay, I'll do it for these two only, two piles. So they are very beautiful decorations. You can choose any one of them. Okay, then we will see whether it is a love marriage or arranged marriage, or how it is, even if it is a second marriage. Okay, whatever it is, whatever details I get, whatever the channeled message I get from the spirits and universe, definitely I will deliver. This will be a detailed reading. That is the reason I chose two piles here, so that I can spend more time on each pile. Okay, then that's all. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for your constant support and motivation. Welcome to new subscribers. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading. So if you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please follow the community section, because I am very active on that. I will post all the information there, so that you can get benefited with it, or it will be benefit for both of us. Okay, that's all I can say. So let us start the reading. We have two piles here. Pile number one, this is the flower. Pile number two, this is also a beautiful blue flower. So whichever flower you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. Okay, let us start with pile number one. Whoever chose this beautiful, colorful flower, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? I am keeping this flower here. Who will you marry? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will my pile number one people marry? Who will you marry? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, we have the Empress. Okay, let me pull it. Hope you can see. Okay, we have got the Empress as overall energy of this reading. So let us continue. Let me pull some more cards to get more details about your person. Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Ten of Wands, Ace of Cups, the Devil, the Tower, Nine of Wands, Queen of Cups, King of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have Six of Pentacles. If I need more clarifiers, I will take some of them. But let us start the reading first. So I can see here the signs as Aries I can see, then Capricorn I can see Taurus, Aquarius, Leo and Scorpio. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. These are the signs I can see here. Okay, so please take it however you feel it is resonating. If you are having some particular person in your mind, then you can take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so the Empress and the Queen of Cups, and you are very lucky that you have this Queen of Cups and King of Cups. So that King and Queen of the same suit are there in this reading. That means this reading is very prominent for you. And what I can see here is it is definitely a love marriage. Definitely you choose each other, you will choose each other. It is not like arranged marriage or something. So you will particularly choose this person, or they will choose you, and it will be definitely a love marriage. Okay, so some of you, I can see that you are already like a single mom or a single dad, or you are already a divorced person who is watching this reading. That's what I can see here. Some people have already children also, maybe 2 or 3. Some people might have one son. Okay, I can see your person is also, for some of you I'm saying, your person is also already married and divorced, but they don't have any children, any child. Okay, but they, please take it however it resonates. If you are not married, if you don't have children, then the other person might be already married, divorced, or having children, single mom or a single dad. Please take it however it resonates. So whoever chose this pile, I can see that half of the people, they are coming into this category. Maybe they are a single mom or a single dad, they are looking for the second marriage. Okay, because I can see the Empress already a pregnant woman and abundance I can see. And also the person, whoever is viewing the reading, is very very powerful. They are little matured also, very commanding, or in a very good position. If you are working, then you are in a very good position. Many people will be working under you. So as Emperor we know, King of Kings, so even Empress also comes into that category only. Very very powerful person, powerful woman. She can do whatever she want to do. That much capability is there. Lot of abundance, beauty, wealth, everything is there in one person. That is the qualities of Empress. And it is also kind of a abundance, like there will be a lot of growth in this connection, there will be a lot of growth in this marriage, or after getting married you will prosper in your life. Maybe you will get a lot of opportunities in career, or maybe you will earn a lot of money. So there will be a lot of abundance in your connection. Okay, so let me take clarifiers for the Tower card and the Ten of Wands. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Why this Tower card and why this Ten of Wands card is there? Please give us some clarifier. Please give us some clarity. I don't want so many cards. These cards are very slippery. Okay, the Abyss. And the clarifier for this Ten of Wands, it is Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so Abyss means it is Queen of Swords. Okay, so again I'm getting the same vibes that whoever is watching, they might be a single mom or a single dad, and or your person will be like this. Okay, single mom or a single dad. So they are very matured. Whoever you are going to marry, they will be a very matured, and like they have lot of intuitive connection. Like they will be, when you meet for the first time itself, your thinking pattern and everything will match, and you both have the visionary gifts. That is kind of you can sense without anybody saying, opposite person saying anything, you can understand their feelings, their emotions. Okay, whenever you see them, immediately you can understand how they are feeling. Okay, then definitely you will be very quick, and the other person also, please take it however it resonates, okay? Then very accurate, and they will have lot of wisdom, so they can judge anybody, and they can definitely look at them in a different angle, like not like normal people. So they have that kind of visionary gifts. As I told, attractive, I can say. See, there is a difference between beauty and attraction, right? So beauty means they will be beautiful in one particular situation, like when they are smiling or laughing or something else. But attraction means they will be even though they are crying also, they'll be attractive. So they'll be like you will be attracted towards them. So that is called attractiveness. Some people are attractive, your person is like that, okay? If it is a lady you are looking for, then the lady will be very very attractive, very accurate, very quick, okay? Then this will be after tower, this is the clarifier for the tower, right? So this will, something will happen unexpectedly, this person will come into your life unexpectedly, but tower moment will happen in a good way, not in a bad way. It will happen in a good way, like suddenly you will meet each other. I don't see anything like you both are, you know this person already. Even though this is love marriage, but it will be this person will be suddenly entering into your life. You don't know this person already. Okay, then this person was very burdened when they meet you. Will be very burdened when they meet you, but they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, because immediately once they see you, they will have that feeling that okay, this is the person I'm waiting for, I'm looking for. Then they want to start a new life with you. Okay, maybe as I told, here so many cards are there, like showing us like a divorce or single mom, single dad. So now they want to start a new life with you. So they want to forget about all their past, and they want to start a new life with a lot of emotions, feelings, love, then romantic relations, they want to start with you. And they have this kind of a devilish nature also, kind of very very possessive about you. This person will be very, so this person will be very very possessive about you. And also they'll be they don't like you to talk to anybody like that. So they will be, sometimes you feel you are they are controlling you, but you are being an empress, you don't like it. Okay, so you will be like no, I you will keep some boundaries in this connection. So maybe sometimes you may stop them for drinking or something else like that, because this person might have these habits, because devil is there. That means they might have, okay, some addictions towards drinking or smoking, whatever it is. So that you might stop it. Okay, after marriage maybe you will say that I don't like it, so don't do that. Okay, but immediately you feel that you both are chained to each other. This is obsessive relationship, I can say. That person will be, your future spouse will be very very attracted towards you, and they can't leave you actually. So day and night, like every day they want to be with you only. Maybe after marriage, maybe for some days they might not go to work also. So that much passionate they will be towards you. And there will be a lot of balance in this connection. So you both will not fight, you won't have any fights in this connection, because you both will have the maturity levels are equal, and you will have the balance in your life. And you will do a lot of charity also. Once you get married, you will do a lot of charities. You will have a very good social status, I can say. Okay, because you will be going into a very rich family. That's what I can see. This person is very very rich. Although I cannot see any family, this person might be staying alone, not with their family. This person is actually, they will wait for you after you meet this person. They will wait for you to say yes. They won't force you, or they won't make you hurry up and all. They will patiently wait, but they will have their own boundaries. They say that no, if you keep any conditions or something, they say no, no, this is my life, and I want to live my life in this way only. So they will be in that way. They will be little strict. Okay, because they say that they won't accept. They will have the boundaries. They are defensive. Let me arrange. Okay, so they will have these boundaries, and they are quite defensive, but at the same time they will wait for you to say yes. Maybe in between, in starting you might not accept this offer, so for that reason they will wait for you, because you both are made for each other, king and queen of the same suit. Okay, so let me pull some more cards so that we can get more clarity. Who will they marry? Who is their future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Okay, Six of Swords, Seven of Suns, Eight of Stars, and the Prophetess. Okay, I'm keeping this here. Hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so definitely I can see Queen of Cups is twice here. So you both will be very powerful in your own space, and this person will be coming from far away. Maybe it is a kind of a long distance relationship. Maybe they'll come to India or wherever you are. Okay, so that time you will meet this person, and they will take you with them. Okay, I can see a child also in this connection, as I told you already. So they will accept you and your child also, and immediately they will take you to their place. Wherever they stay, they will take you there also. And because once they see you, once they have decided to marry you, they cannot stay for long time. This will happen. That is why this tower moment is there. Whatever will happen, it will happen very suddenly and unexpectedly, which you don't have time to think also. That much as unexpectedly it will happen. Okay, but this person will not force you, as I told. They will wait for some time, and you will also not take much time. You will say yes, of course. So this is then what else is there? Seven of Wands is there, then Eight of Swords is there. Okay, so this person will be little hesitant to approach you first. Okay, after they have decided, they will be quick in action, but before that they will be very um, decent way of approaching you, because they are confused, because they have even whatever the past experience they had in their life. So that is the reason they are very slow in approaching you, because they are not sure whether this relationship or whether this connection, whatever they are expecting with it will be good or not. They are confused, and they are tied to a rod, like they cannot move further. Maybe for some of you, this person already might be going through a divorce, or that legal battle is going on. That is the reason they are not approaching you freely. Okay, so because they will be waiting, now I understood, because Nine of Wands is there, so they'll be waiting until that case ends, because they don't want to be in between, like with the other person also, with you also, they don't want to be in between. So they will wait for the other connection end, then only they will come to you. Okay, until then they will be little confused whether to remarry or something. Sorry friends, whoever chose this pile, I can see many of you, not only 50%, most of you are looking for the second marriage. If you are not happy with this reading, please choose the another pile, because this reading is, I feel that many of you are single mom or a single dad or a second marriage only. That is why I'm giving the messages like that only, because like that only I am getting the channeled messages. Okay, so definitely because of that they are not freely expressing their feelings to you. They will take some time, then they will tell you, and after they express their feelings, it will not take much time for you both to be together. But definitely this will be a power couples kind of thing. You both will be like very famous, I can say. And also I can say famous means it is famous in your society because of your mm, donating nature, kind nature. So whoever is in trouble, you cannot see them in trouble, you will help them. You are also like that only, and the other person also very sensitive, I can say. Both of you are very sensitive. That is the reason you both will be guarded with your emotions. So you don't want to be hurt your feelings and emotions. Same with the other person, your spouse, future spouse. So but you both will be very vulnerable, like if you see anybody suffering, anybody is in trouble, immediately you both will help the other person or people. Okay, that is kind of a very soft nature you both have. Definitely it's a very very nice reading, I can say. Lot of cups here, cups energy is there, and pentacles also, abundance also is there, the empress. So that is what I can see from this spread. So definitely this will be a love marriage, and you will be very happy and very prosperous in your marriage. Okay, that's all I can say. That's all, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this beautiful flower, this reading is for you. Who is your future spouse? Let us see. Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry, or who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is their future spouse? So we have Temperance. Okay. Let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is their future spouse, or who will you marry? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Ace of Cups, Nine of Swords, Three of Cups, the Emperor, the Hierophant, Queen of Cups, the Tower, Nine of Wands, and bottom of the deck we have Death. Okay, so let me arrange the okay. So let me clarify few things first. Why there is a Tower moment here? Why there is a Nine of Swords here? Spirits and angels, please clarify why there is Nine of Swords. Why there is Nine of Swords? Please clarify why there is Nine of Swords. The Emperor. Why there is the Tower. Six of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, let me tell you the signs first. I can see Sagittarius very prominent, Aries is very prominent, Taurus, then Aries is Aries is there, then Scorpio, Taurus, Aries, Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is very prominent here. Then very few of you will have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is there. Okay, but mostly it is fire sign. Your person will be Aries, Leo or Sagittarius or Taurus or Scorpio. Please take it however it resonates. Okay, let us start the reading. So what I can see overall energy is you both will be like made for each other. You will be most compatible, I can say. So normally in marriages they see, right, compatibility of each other. So definitely most probably you will be having a arranged marriage. This is not a love marriage. Definitely you will have the arranged marriage, but you will be most compatible couple. And for some of you it can be love marriage also, or it can be love come arranged marriage. Okay, but I can see there is some older people involved in this. That is the reason I said it is a arranged marriage. Okay, mostly your parents will see the match, and this will happen. Mostly your father or father figure will approve this marriage. Okay, and I can see is this person will be very very rich. Whoever you are going to get married, this person will be very very rich, and also they will be in a very good position in their career. Okay, they will be kind of a manager, police or military, or HR manager, or I can say software consultant. Then yeah, all this or priest kind of a position. Not priest, I can't say priest, but because the hierophant is there, they will be in a very good position where people will respect. Maybe a government officer, I can say. So maybe a government officer where people will respect them in the for their position and all. Okay, so this person will be having a very good social status, and they are well respected in the society. Okay, that is the reason they will do the arranged marriage. Whatever their parents say, or whatever their family or everybody says, they will agree for that. Even same thing with you, you will also accept the same thing. But here only very few of you, like 1% of you will have this like you might be a single mom or a single dad, very few of you. Okay, so others all like this will be a very beautiful marriage, and you will meet this person in a public gathering, or a like a party or a function or any marriage. Okay, you will meet this person in that. But there also, when you are along with your friends and your family, that time you will meet this person. Or maybe if you go, when you go to a church or a temple, so there you will meet this person. So what I can see, this is a kind of an arranged marriage, and you will see like normally how people do. They will come to see you, or you will go to see them. So that is a very traditional way it will happen. Okay, and after marriage, definitely you will have lot of celebrations, parties, and everything you will enjoy together. So all these days you will be like not in a very good position, or that other person will be not in a good position. They might have the fear or anxiety or health issues, they might be crying at night. So when that time you will meet this person, then slowly they will come out of that sadness, or you will come out of this sadness or health issues. Then you both will be very fit and healthy for this connection or marriage. And also after the marriage, yours will be almost like a love and arranged marriage, because you love each other, there is no doubt about it, because the ace of cups is there. So definitely you will have a new beginning with this person in this life, new romantic feeling, fresh feeling that you will get with this person. So that means this is kind of you have dreamt about the connection, the same connection is coming into your life. That means you are manifesting this, whatever the connection you are thinking and dreaming, that will manifest. The person whom you want, that same person will come to you. And for some of you, as I told you, also maybe 10% of you, or very few of you will have this single mom or a single dad, that kind of vibe I'm getting. So this person will be ending one connection and coming back to you, like this is death and rebirth. Or they will be like transformed person when they come to you. Maybe they had very bad past in the past, then they will transform completely for you. They will come to you as you want them to be. Okay, so whatever you are expecting, whatever you are asking the universe, they will come exactly like them. And this person will be waiting for this connection for many years. So, because they are searching for this kind of a relation, this kind of a life partner. So they will be definitely very happy to see you, or happy to have you in their life. Okay, then they you both will be socially doing lot of charity works, lot of helping others, because six of pentacles is there. So lot of charity works you will do. You will have, so you will have lot of balance in this connection, and you will be doing lot of charity work, as I told you already. So this person will be very stable person, and they will be very authoritative. Sometimes they will treat you as a child, a mother figure or a father figure. So they have lot of nurturing qualities in them. They are very very intellectual and also brave. Okay, so they want to move forward, they don't want to be stuck in one position. So they might be, a law firm also, maybe a lawyer or a judge, and they will reason for everything, like how lawyers talk, like argue, right? The reasoning skills, they have this kind of reasoning skills, and whatever they want to accomplish. Okay, so definitely this person will be very strong person, but sometimes you might feel they are overpowering you, but you will not have any problem. I don't see any conflicts here. Let us pull some more cards so that we can get more clarity on who will you marry or who is your future spouse. Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Postulant, okay, Eight of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck we have the Empress, Lady. Okay, so definitely Emperor and Empress are together in this reading. So you both will be very, very strong personalities. You will have your own prosperity in your life. Already you are prosperous or they are prosperous, and you both together you will make the history, I can say. So definitely you will have lot of abundance in your life. Then some of you will get pregnant immediately after the marriage. That's what I can see. So be careful about that if you don't want children. Definitely your this person will be your wish fulfillment, or they will be your I mean their wish fulfillment. Okay, so whatever qualities you have, you both have in each other, so that is the reason you accept this marriage. Okay, but you both are very hard working. Actually we are asking about your future spouse, right? So this person will be very, very hard working, and they have lot of responsibilities on their shoulders. Already I told you, as I told, that they are in a very high position or a high cadre, so they have lot of responsibilities on the shoulder. So sometimes they might be very busy, and they might not give you that much time, okay, to spend. And you will be kind of, sometimes you will be upset, like you are not spending time with me. It will not last long, like maybe for some time you will be angry, after that you will be fine. There is no fight or anything in this connection. But definitely this person will keep an eye on you. They will be observing you. So once you say yes to this marriage, definitely they will observe you, what you are doing, because their character is like that. They are kind of as I told you, lawyer or a judge. So always they will have this kind of a detective mentality. So they will be also checking your social media. They will be checking on what you are doing, what you are, not in a bad way actually, because as I told already, they are kind of a mother figure or a father figure, kind of a nurturing character, right? So they will have, with insecurity, they will see, I mean, you are safe or not. So definitely they will be keeping an eye on you. They will be protecting you, they will be taking care of you, they will be giving you lot of support, nurturing, care. Okay, so definitely this person will be a very responsible person. They will be hardworking, and wherever they reached now in their life, that is on their own strength, on their own hard work. Nobody has helped them, no parental money or something. They earned everything on their own, and that much self confidence, self worthy person. Very strong human being I see in this reading. Okay, you are lucky. Pile number 2. So your person will be very, very most desirable person for everybody. Okay, that kind of a person, socially very much respectable person is will marry you. Okay, that's all I can see. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.